If you think it's only a coincidence that all famous people do the same one eye gesture. One eye symbolism is taken from Quran or Bible. In case of Bible, it's a book of Zechariah, chapter 11, verse 17, and it's about the Antichrist. All those people, as described in Bible Genesis chapter 6, verse 4, belongs to the same family with same ancestor. They are mighty men, men of renown, just as it is today, famous, well recognized. There are hundreds of millions of them, if not billions, living amongst us, as Jesus Christ described them as false wheat, planted by evil one amongst the wheat. Read 13th chapter, 25th verse of Gospel of Matthew. They recognize each other by symbols and gestures, and slowly but surely they taking over the world. As Jesus Christ described in 24th chapter of Gospel of Matthew, the only way to stop them is to expose them. So our goal is to share 13th chapter of Gospel of Matthew. That is Gospel of the Kingdom. Share it by any means and learn to recognize them. Read the Bible, start with Gospel of Matthew, then read it from the beginning. Do not sin, purify yourself, and start praying to one and only God. God bless you.